About this item 4 ports, the TECKNET USB Car Charger is equipped with QC 3.0 fast charge ports with maximum output up to 54W in total, QC 3.0 18W output and USB 1/2/312W output at each port. Support QC 3.0/QC 2.0/AFC/FCP protocol. They make a 2x faster charging speed, saving an average of 2 hours with the QC 3.0 port. Compact size, with a tiny thumb-sized size, 1.75 1.07 2.89 in body. This USB car charger perfectly blends with most car cigarette lighters and sits comfortably in the outlet. Our smallest car charger yet. It's portable and you can take it everywhere. Durability and reliability. Advanced intelligent circuit safety system prevents short circuit, overheating, overcurrent, and overcharging. The upgraded metal car charger will release heat faster so that not be overheating at high temperatures, which is safer than a plastic one. Wide compatibility. The cigarette lighter charger works flawlessly with phones, tablets, iPhones, etc. such as iPhone 14 Pro Max/14 Plus/iPhone 13 13 Pro/12 Pro Max/12 Mini/11/11 Pro/11 Pro.